What if I told you that thousands of years ago, one man was believed to be more than a king? Ancient Egyptians believed their pharaoh was a living god walking among humans. People didn't simply respect him, they worshipped him. His words were law, his decisions shaped an entire civilization. To understand the pharaoh's power, we first need to travel back over 5,000 years. Everything in Egypt depended on one thing: the mighty Nile River. Every year, its floods brought life to the desert. The river turned dry land into one of the richest kingdoms on earth. As Egypt grew stronger, its rulers became more powerful.
This is the finest saffron from the east. Tell me, what is your price?
And among them emerged a title that would become legendary: Pharaoh.
A king must know his borders, Your Highness.
And the people who live within them?
The moment a new pharaoh was crowned, his life changed forever. He was no longer seen as an ordinary human being.
Citizens of Egypt, your pharaoh restores the glory of the sun.
Many believed the gods themselves had chosen him.
We honor the great god Ra. Grant us your divine light.
Some even believed he carried divine blood.
A living god destined to rule over the Nile.
His palace overflowed with unimaginable wealth. Gold was everywhere, shining as a symbol of eternal power. Thousands of people worked to serve and protect him. He controlled the army, the government, and the economy. When the pharaoh gave an order, an entire nation obeyed. Some of the greatest construction projects in history began with his command, including the incredible pyramids that still stand today. Even now, experts continue to debate how they were built. But one thing is certain: these monuments were designed to honor the pharaoh. Every wall told stories of power, victory, and immortality. Messages that have survived for thousands of years. Religion played a huge role in the pharaoh's authority. The people believed their ruler connected them directly to the gods. That belief gave him a level of power few leaders have ever achieved. But behind the gold, the ceremonies, and the glory lay secrets that would remain hidden for thousands of years.